The Benfei 2-in-1 USB Type-C and USB-A 3.0 to SATA cable is an essential tool for IT professionals, content creators, and everyday users who need a fast and convenient way to access 2.5-inch SATA SSDs or HDDs. Whether you're upgrading a laptop, performing data backups, recovering files, or simply expanding your storage, this cable offers a compact and powerful solution that works seamlessly across modern and legacy systems. Designed with flexibility in mind, Benfei equips this cable with both USB Type-C and USB-A 3.0 connectors, making it compatible with a wide range of devices, from the latest ultrabooks and tablets to traditional desktop PCs and older laptops. Whether your system has a USB-C or standard USB-A port, you're covered without the need for adapters or dongles. If you need a reliable, high-speed, and ultra-portable solution for connecting your 2.5-inch SATA drives to both modern and legacy USB ports, the Benfei 2-in-1 USB Type-C and USB-A to SATA cable is a smart, cost-effective choice that delivers solid performance with every use.